With the advent of the electronic health records, healthcare digitized its data. It's health informaticians who turn that into useful information for clinicians. Ultimately, our goal is to improve health outcomes. Hofstra University has a fairly unique program. First and foremost, it's comprehensive. It also is an interdisciplinary program, which means it requires clinical knowledge, business knowledge, and technical knowledge. Our students can come from any of those three disciplines, and we bring them the skills that they don't have in the other areas in order to make them successful as health informaticians. In addition, our program has 2 internships. Those internships are hands-on health informatics health analysis work.
What originally set this program apart for me was the partnership with Northwell Health and the ability to take everything that you learned in a few short months and really apply that to practicum experience.
Sign up to attend a graduate admission event, connect with an admission dean, or apply for admission. Take the next step and earn your graduate degree at Hofstra.